Today we're doing pink versus blue. Let's get started.
So, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, shoot. Rock, paper, shoot. Rock, paper, shoot. Rock, paper, shoot.
Okay,
I go first. Okay. Slushy beads.
I have gold stars.
Okay. While she's putting hers on add, pick another one. It was stuck together. Purple glitter, guys.
I have green sand.
While she's putting her green
Very
sand,
green.
while she's putting her green sand, I'm gonna pick another one. Rainbow foam beads. Can you cut these open?
Okay, now I'm gonna pick the next one, and it says slushy beads.
Okay, now that's open. Now I'm gonna like try to make it flatter so they won't like go everywhere. Okay, while she's putting her slushy beads, I'm gonna add now it's
I'm gonna pick my next one.
blue glitter.
Perfect
I'm
combination.
gonna throw the ice now.
Perfect combination. That's red.
Okay, while she's putting her, I'm gonna pick it up. White pearl. White pearls. Okay, I lost some of them.
Alright. Green sand. More green sand.
Okay, while she does
Yay.
that, I'm gonna pick another one. Pink and purple foam beads. Now,
Well, she's on her foam beads. I'm gonna pick my gold glitter.
while she puts her gold glitter,
I'm not having the
Yeah.
best day.
okay, I'm gonna my next one. Red glitter. Red glitter. And I'm gonna add, and then what she's gonna put.
I'm gonna pick this. Hopefully, this is
Okay, while she's
instant snow.
while she's putting her instant snow in, I'm gonna make. I really hope I don't get sherry cream. Blue sand.
Okay, I'm gonna pick my next one. Yellow sand.
While she's putting her sand, I'm gonna pick it up.
Yay.
Mermaid glitter.
She got her mermaid glitter. Shaving cream. I'm gonna do both.
While she's adding her sugar, another one. Green glitter. While she puts her green glitter.
Rainbow beads.
While she does that, another one. Gold glitter. Oh my god, look at her shaving cream, guys.
Yeah, that was the melted. That was
Guys, I'm
nice.
starting to get a lot of glitter.
Like you took all the glitter.
Pink pearls. While she adds that, I'm obviously going to pick another one. Pom-pom.
While she's picking on her, doing her pom-pom.
Orange sand.
In her orange sand, I'm gonna pick my next one. foam
Pink.
beads.
Why she put that in, I got this one.
Try not to make a mess.
Red glitter.
These get sprinkles. I'm scared. I won't spring this. So we got the last things. It's shaving cream. Go ahead.
Guys, I really don't want to say this. Okay, now my turn.
Pink sand. I got these sprinkles.
Okay guys, I'm gonna pick the last one.
Yes, scissors.
Confetti sprinkles. Bye. Okay, I'm
Time to mix.
really gonna mix it.
That was just a bunch of instant snow.
This is gonna be messy.
Very. Like, this looks like mashed potatoes with glitter.
Guys, the snow is making mine a very cloudy slowly. Yeah, I think I have clouds on it.
potatoes? Like, I just done my hand a whole bunch. And they're green.
Just keep mixing.
Just keep mixing. Get a lot of air in it. Maybe it will activate. I straight up need more shaving cream because I don't even know what this is.
And we're about to get it activated. Okay,
So
guys, we got
got
activated.
and it's finally
Finally
coming
comes
together.
together.
Mine's turned out to be this light bluish color, but also white.
So I'm gonna show you.
What color?
Mine's gray. It's a jelly slime.
Oh my god, my slime is so thin.
From the snow we added. Oh god.
I want to add the shaving cream, but it's not as much long as it is.
I'm gonna pick
So
up some white.
let's just start. Let's just start. Alright, so let's start doing challenges. Let's do
Bubble
a bubble
contest.
challenge first. Mine can get so many good bubbles, as y'all just saw. Alright, but
Guys, I told you that I had a shaving cream. That's why hers is so white.
fluffy.
At first it was pink. Now
I really not shaving cream was even though I shook it.
that probably made it.
Sticky, not these. Also the shade, not shade from this.
Yeah.
Okay, ready for bubble challenge? Here.
Wait, let me go first. Mine's stuck in a big hole.
Alright,
That's
okay.
fine. My bubble first. That was time.
Alright, tie.
Okay, we're gonna do one more.
Rock, paper, scissors.
One more.
Alright. That first time, you guys comment down below
Who
won
won?
that one.
The second one we're on this side.
I just can't stop
See?
this. Alright, that's your bubble. Alright,
Hold on, let me get this up.
that was so big.
I won.
But it popped.
Mine won. Mine. That's too crazy, bro. Okay. Yeah, look. It was a good video.
Alright,
Okay, let's do this one.
I think the rainbow is green.
Guys, mine's so soft and thin.
It's jelly. You think yours is thin? Mine's very thin.
Mine's kind of thin.
What is
So-
3?
Yeah.
I can't read mine.
Rock.
This is shit. Rock.
I beat you.
This song is honestly really good. It's just the fact that it beats part of it. It's a problem. Beats part
Hey,
of it
guys.
is a problem. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video and share this video with your friends. Bye.